Google is sublimely different from all the smartphone companies out there. There is no any official confirmation when to release the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro exactly. But having said that, Google has already revealed a little bit less than everything about the upcoming Pixel 6 lineup. Whereas on the other hand, some other smartphone companies don't want to reveal their even single information about their upcoming handsets before the launch. But surprisingly, Google did what they used to do. We are also gonna take a look at how the Pixel 6 Pro could be way better than the iPhone 13 Pro Max in some cases. Last year, Google didn't go for the XL model as usual. But this year, Google did change the naming strategy for their Pro Pixel phone Pixel XL to Pixel Pro. The fact of the matter is that it had to be called Google Pixel 6 XL instead of Google Pixel 6 Pro. I don't know why they have done changed the unique naming which was dissimilar to any other smartphone's naming. The regular Pixel 6 will feature a 6.4-inch FHD plus 90Hz display, and the Pixel 6 Pro will feature a 6.7-inch Quad HD plus 120Hz display. Both Pixel phones will be powered by Google's own custom chip which is called Tensor. Google used to include the Snapdragon chip into their Pixel smartphones. With a view to competitors like Apple and Samsung, Google is all set to be committed with made by their own Tensor chip. We will talk about the advantages of Tensor chip later in this video. But before that, take a look at its true competitor, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Only some weeks are left to launch the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There is no two opinion in this matter that the iPhone 13 Pro Max is much awaited iPhone of the year 2021. Although it won't have a huge improvement over its predecessor, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But however, some minor improvements are happening on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is more likely to feature a 6.7-inch 120Hz ProMotion display. It will be powered by Apple A15 Bionic chip. Apple customized their chip in view of image quality and battery efficiency. Despite including not enough big battery into the iPhones, the battery is capable of managing magnificently thanks to Apple chip as well as their software. The Pixel 6 Pro is completely different from its ancestor. There's not gonna be ridiculous looking notch like the Pixel 3 XL or big bezel like the Pixel 4 XL or boring design like the Pixel 5. Google is trying to make the Pixel 6 Pro true flagship Pixel phone in every single way. There's a very slightly curved with a hole punch display on the Pixel 6 Pro. The design is some sort of the same as the Galaxy S21 Ultra from the front. The back design of the Pixel 6 Pro is also something different from the trend which is going on these days. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is not changing even enough when it comes to the design. There will be only two major changes typically. On the front, the notch is gonna be a little bit shorter compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The rear camera lenses are about to be bigger than its predecessor. I cannot declare the winner to any one of these two. Both are terrific at their respective places. It totally depends on you which one would you prefer design wise, the Pixel 6 Pro or the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's no suspect that the A15 Bionic chip is going to be by far the best chip in any smartphone. Undoubtedly, Google Tensor chip will succumb to Apple A15 Bionic chip. But with the help of machine learning and AI, the Tensor chip is smartly customized according to upcoming Pixel 6 phones. Everybody is curious to know about the camera. What if Pixel 6 Pro beats the iPhone 13 Pro Max in terms of the camera? Not a big deal. Pixel can beat. The Pixel 6 Pro is gonna have 3 rear cameras with a 50 megapixel main camera, an ultra wide angle camera and also a 4x telephoto camera. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is gonna have a 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and also a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, same as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But the image sensors are gonna be the bigger. iPhones are always the best in case of image quality. But you are already familiar that Google is changing hardware in order to make their true Pixel device. Google software is enough to beat every single flagship phone if you talk about the image quality. In terms of the photo and video, it's not a big deal for Google beating even the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Do a comment below which one would you prefer going for, the iPhone 13 Pro Max or the Pixel 6 Pro. If you love the universe of tech, this is your own tech channel. You should consider subscribing right now. By the way, a great thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one, and now I wanna wind up the video.